Hello and welcome everyone on today's video, and this is going to be about to show here is this is going to be about to understand through everything that is still to be really satisfied with the progress that is still to be right now to how you start actually to unlock in Figma. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to start to be satisfying on this way. That is really important to deal with what you're gonna see over here. That's gonna be about to help you in everything that you want through the progress that we can start actually to see whether this can be about to give you here important levels or not about through the unlock anything that you want. So first of all, it's gonna be about to go and start to click here on the unlock on the way that is still to be about that about to have to click on here, type unlock, and then as you can see it's gonna be about the unlock, and that's all about to help you guys through this video.